Hi, I'm Taylor Colvey from San Diego, California, and I'm both a certified functional nutritional counselor and a board certified health and wellness coach with Lifetime Water and Wellness. And we offer a membership to resolve mystery autoimmune or chronic symptoms by finally addressing what is causing dysfunction in the body so that you can live out a lifetime of vibrant health. So we chose to use SNiP Nutrigenomics in our practice because of one simple question. We were asked, how would you like it if you could replace all the supplements in your cabinet with one supplement based on your genes? And the timing was impeccable because I had just spent $175 on supplements with my provider. And I always kind of questioned, how much of it do I need? Is it the right format? And so this SNiP Nutrigenomics solves that for me and for our clients. So SNiP DNA reports are great for us because we use them as part of our gut detoxification course, Heal, Seal for the Real Deal. And the course includes a SNiP nutrition genetic test, which tests for over 100 genetic variants. It has a summary report for our clients and also 10 different epigenetic reports evaluating functional actionable genes for detoxification, for inflammation, for healthy aging, etc. And when our clients get this genetic test, we look at, for instance, an EPHX1 or the GSTP1 detoxification genes, some inflammatory groupings like the CRP or the IL-6. And we see a lot of clients with the FUT2 SNP, which is really about the gut and the healthy gut bacterial balance, and of course all the important methylation genes, which you all know, which is the MTHFR and the COMT. So by knowing these, we help customize their detoxification program. So such as offering more lifestyle recommendation on maybe some more liver and gallbladder support. And if they have the detox SNPs, maybe they need to taper or go low and slow with their supplementation. So after our clients have cleaned up their fish tank, they have the option of purchasing a customized supplement based on their genes, and nutrigenomics will help our clients to smooth out their methylation pathways, their inflammatory pathways, mood, cognition, and so on. And so they can start reaping the benefits from going from nutrient deficient to sufficiency and with the exact formula that they need daily. So SNiP Nutrigenomics makes it so simple, which is why we love it. Having one solution to take the guesswork out of a daily multivitamin or supplement, and our clients have more energy, they manage their blood sugar better, they have better blood pressure, reduce the excess estrogen, the inflammation, and it shows up in our live blood analysis and also their own blood panels. So there is a lot of excellent professional grade products out there when it comes to supporting nutrient deficiencies, but why not make it customized and knowing that you're not just supplementing just a supplement, but you're supplementing based on your genetic deficiencies. And that quote I use a lot from Gary Brecka, but it just makes a whole heck of a lot of sense to me. So as a wellness professional, I've shared this option already with fellow functional medicine colleague and also a board certified health and wellness coach. And for instance, my colleague who is the health and wellness coach works with clients who are looking to lose weight and support their insulin levels or insulin resistance. And dihydroberberine is nature's Ozempic and is 5 times more absorbable and 20 times more effective than regular berberine. And if a client has an FTO SNP, they can feel confident knowing they're getting this particular formula in their customized supplement, and knowing that just a monthly supply for that one ingredient alone is $60 a month. You can imagine the cost savings that we get to pass on as clinicians to our clients. So it's just nice as a professional too, from a business standpoint, to know that we also have income, passive income coming in monthly to support our practice with SNiP Nutrigenomics. I'm so thankful for SNiP Nutrigenomics, particularly the CEO, Kim Russler, and her team, Nurse Andy, and her support team, because they care so deeply about the particular product. They comb through the ingredients regularly and also have regularly post information on social media and offer trainings for both our clients and for practitioners. And I feel very supported as a clinician or as a practitioner. And I just want to say thank you, because It really makes a difference to have something simple and something powerful that we can offer our clients.